DB-GPT V0.8.0, Paradigm Shift, AI plus Data-Driven Analytics Experience. A paradigm shift from conversational Q&A to task delivery, from passive answering to autonomous analysis, exploring true agentic productivity. IntroductionDB-GPT V0.8.0 introduces a self-driven AI data assistant that autonomously handles the entire analytics pipeline. You no longer need to know which table your data lives in, nor write Python scripts for intermediate data cleaning. Simply state your business objective, and the DB-GPT AI data assistant will take care of everything. Key highlights. Features. 1. Agentic Data Analytics Engine. The DB-GPT AI Data Assistant can now autonomously orchestrate an entire execution pipeline around your analysis goals, moving beyond the limitations of traditional single-turn conversations to deliver a brand new autonomous data analytics experience. First, we can provide multiple out-of-the-box experience. Then, we can perform CSV, Excel autonomous data analysis. Upload local spreadsheet files with one click, and the AI automatically understands the data structure, autonomously performs data cleaning, multidimensional calculations, and chart visualization, making routine report processing easier than ever. Also, intelligent database insights and analysis reports can be realized. Built on the new agentic architecture, the engine autonomously performs data diagnostics, feature extraction, and multidimensional analysis, generating dedicated analysis reports with beautiful charts and deep insights, making data value crystal clear. Powered by advanced large language models, the system not only accurately translates natural language into complex SQL queries, but also supports autonomous Python code execution in a secure sandbox, handling even the most demanding computational requirements. Of course, deep financial report analysis can also be achieved. Purpose-built for financial scenarios, precisely extracting core metrics such as revenue and profit. Automatically performs year-over-year, quarter-over-quarter calculations and trend forecasting, generating professional financial health diagnostic reports with one click. Skill Creator is a built-in skill within DB-GPT, specifically designed to help you create customized business skills. Simply describe your requirements in the conversation, and Skill Creator will automatically handle the entire workflow, from design and development to packaging. 2. Agent Skill Ecosystem. The LLM determines the intelligence baseline, but ecosystem extensibility determines the business ceiling. Different business scenarios require vastly different analysis approaches. V0.8.0 officially introduces the Agent Skill System, a new way to codify team expertise into reusable assets, custom skill packaging, encapsulate your unique data cleaning logic, business analysis models, and more into standalone skills. Write once, reuse across the entire team. Built-in skills, ships with CSV, Excel deep analysis skill, financial report analysis skill, agent browser skill, and more. Create business-specific skills with one click using the Skill Creator. One-click GitHub import. Import high-quality skills directly from community or enterprise private repositories, breaking down information silos. 3. Sandbox Secure Execution Environment. The isolated sandbox execution. All shellcode generated by agents that hasn't been manually reviewed runs in isolated containers, supports strict resource threshold limits, and execution timeout controls, protecting the host system while balancing agent execution power with enterprise-grade data security. Resource configuration, session-level sandbox resource limits, and execution timeout guarantees, making analysis artifacts more reproducible and auditable. 4. Collaboration and product experience upgrades. Conversation sharing and execution replay. Generate share links with one click. Your team members can not only view the final polished HTML reports, but also replay every step of the agent's thinking and reasoning process, making retrospectives and knowledge sharing simpler. Conversation task list. Search historical conversation records at any time, facilitating review and documentation. Native app and agent modes. Retains native application, agent AVL, and other capabilities, supporting diverse product enhancements and feature usage. 5. One-click setup script. We provide multiple new streamlined installation scripts to get DB-GPT up and running faster. Option 1. Install via PyPy. Option 2. Install via shell script. Option 3. Install from source, same as previous versions. 6. Documentation overhaul with multi-language support. The reference documents have been completely revamped and now support multiple languages, but a fresh UI design, clearer directory structure, and one-click language switching deliver a better reading and development experience.